Hi, I'm Paulo, and in this video, I'll show you how easy and simple it is to create a magic funnel which can actually be done in less than 5 minutes. Before we proceed, intro. Welcome back. Be sure to follow these steps and let's proceed. First, let's create a website. Let's go to Pixel Perfect Builder. You can either create a new website, or if you already have a chosen website, you may go ahead and choose that one as well. So let's proceed. New website. For this one, I'll go ahead and create a new website. You can either choose one of the websites according to the themes or to your preference, but for this one, let's go ahead with the blank website. So blank page, click on edit. Take note that without the explanations, of course, you can create this within 5 minutes. Now, what we want to do is for this page first, let's add a button. So this is for the home page. Let's add a button. Any button will do, so I'll just go ahead and pick one since it can easily be edited anyways. So I'll just go ahead with that one. Close it. And then let's create another page, a second page. So take note, this is for the home page. We have one button and we need another button, which I will explain later why we need two buttons. So we will add another page. So we'll just go to default, click on the arrow, at the bottom, add a page. We'll just go ahead with another blank page. So blank page, blank. And then you have to name the page. For this one, I'll just name it opt-in. Then click on confirm. So now we have two pages. We have the home page, which is the first page with the register now button, or with a button. So this is the button for access. Let's go ahead and let me go ahead and change this just for your preference, for your information. So this is the access button. This is where the customer or your leads would sign in. So they need to click this button rather in order to sign in. Okay, so access. And then on the opt-in page, which is the second page, here we will need a contact form. Contact form. Just a note that you cannot use an email marketing form for this one, only contact form. So for this one, I'll just choose any of these, which is the first one. So the contact form contains the first name, the last name, normally the email, and the name. So let me just set this up real quick so you'll have an idea. So for this one, what I want to do is click on Elements. We're gonna remove the last name because we don't need it. Normally it's just the email and the first name. So I'm gonna delete that. The phone number, I'm gonna delete that as well. But feel free to add whatever you have in mind for your own preference. And I want to transfer the email on top. So your email and first name. So confirm. Now for the configuration, we'll go back to this later. So let's go back to the home page. So for the home page, again, this is where your customers would access the opt-in page. Now for this one, what do you put in? First, let's go ahead and save this. So that's all you need. You need two pages with one button each rather. For the home page, it would be the access button, and for the opt-in page, it will be for the contact form. Now, let's go ahead and save this because we will need to publish the website first so we can configure the magic funnel. So let's say, for example, for this one, I'm going to put MF test. I'm going to save it. Okay, test one. Save it. Just close that one. What I want to do is going back here. Let me go back to the websites. So I want to go to my sites. So here it is, MF test 1. What I want to do is publish the website. Now once it becomes blue, if you notice, instead of the arrow, the pointer being like gray, just like this one, it becomes a hand. Once it becomes a hand, it means that the website is already published. So just click on that, and the button is already here. The website is already up. Now let's go back here. Now all you have to do from here is go to this menu on top, go to the default, go to the opt-in, and click on the gear icon. Click on that, and then on address, highlight and copy opt-in. Or if you already have this in mind, you can just go to the published website, which is this one. Just add slash and then opt-in, or the name of that page. Once you've done that, all you have to do is copy the entire website together with the address you added, which is opt-in, which is the name of the second page where the button is for the contact form. So all you have to do is copy this. What I want to do once I have copied it is go to your main menu, go to BUILDERALL Business, go to your affiliate funnels, and then click on the redirect link. Click on it. This is where you paste that website with the opt-in page. Click on send. There is a shared URL. All you have to do is copy this. Copy that. This is very important because this is the one, the shared URL. This is the one that determines who the magic funnel will be assigned to. So if somebody goes to your home website, you have the magic funnel set up on that website. The created free trial will be directed or sponsored by whoever's ID is on here. So if you notice, if you try this, you will see your ID on this redirect link. Okay. So what I want to do is copy this. Now let's go back to the editor. We go back to the home page, and that is that redirect link. This one, the shared URL, copy it. That is where we will route. So we go to action. So what I want to happen is if somebody clicks on this access button, they will be directed to that redirect URL or shared URL. So what you want to do is right click on this one, action, click on web address. This is where you paste the link, and then click on OK. That's all you have to do for the home page with the access button. Now let's go to the opt-in page with the email contact form. Or contact form rather, not the email marketing form. Now, for this opt-in page, again, we have the contact form. For this one, here's what you have to do. Right-click. First, let's go to Elements. Your email, click on this pen icon. Now, this is already set up. There's really nothing to do anymore. The important part here is the tag. For email, this is it, cadastro_email, which is already set up by Builderall. So it's a default already. So all you have to do is double check on it. Placeholder field, this is what's showing on the contact form that the customers or leads would see. Click on confirm. For the first name, I want to double check on that as well. For the tag, it should be cadastro_nome, which is already here as well. So the name for how I want it to show would be first name, and then the required field, yes, I want it required, so just confirm and then confirm. If you want to add something else, feel free to do so. All you have to do is click on the plus sign, and then you can just choose from here. Okay. Now, so from here, let's click on confirm now. But the question is, okay, I have set up the name, the email, and the name. But what does it do? What does this button do? Where does the customer go from here? You have to right click on this one, click on configure, go to default, click on default, click on edit. On the method, choose post. Now for the action, what do I put in? Okay, configure, edit. Again, for the action, this is post. For the action, what do I type in? This one. Feel free to copy this. I'll give you 5 seconds. I'll show this up for 5 seconds here. This is the exact website you need to put on the action field. What this does is this is the one that creates the account or the free account, 7-day free trial rather, in Builderall. So the homepage button, on the homepage rather, the access button, what that does is it creates the cookies. This, on the opt-in page, this contact form, what this does is this is the one that creates the 7-day free trial account in Builderall. Okay. Another thing is, again, going back to the home page, the access button, that's also what registers the person or the lead to your name or to your sponsorship in Builderall. because if as I showed you earlier, it contains your Builderall ID. Okay, so I'll go back to the creating the button now to complete the process. Feel free to go back to this. All you have to do anyways is just do a bit of rewind, pause this video if you want to copy this. Okay, so here for the action, again, it would be this one, the one that I showed you, and then you click on confirm. That's it. That's all you have to do to create the magic funnel. Click on save, and then save. Now let's go ahead and test our funnel. Let me just refresh this. So I'll just double check real quick if it's already completely published, because this went up really fast earlier. So let's try this. Access. Or let's go back from here real quick. So close this one. I want to go to my websites again. That's just to show everything from scratch. Pixel Perfect Builder, enter. What I want to do right now is access the website for the magic funnel that I just did and showed you. So it's here. I just have to click on it. It's this one. Click on access. So this should bring me to the contact form, which is this one. So for the email, I'm just gonna put a random email. Get instant access. And I should be directed to Builderall's 7-day free trial or the dashboard. And there it goes. Okay. From here, just click on the arrow. And here's the dashboard. And as a user, of course, we would recommend them that they change their password. So that's how simple and easy it is. Again, without the explanations that I did, you can easily do this in 5 minutes. Okay, very simple steps. Again, just to show you, let me just sign out of this one in a bit. So again, for the contact form, this is what you put on the action or the web address. Right? So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, give it a like. If you think this video would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more from me, be sure to subscribe and click on that bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So that's about it, and I'll see you on the next one. And just like that, this video's over. Cheers, and let's go.